Mark 1.
Now so the gospel about Jesus Christ, God Pikin, take start. As Prophet Isaiah talk for the book where he write, "He dey send my messenger for front, go prepare the way for you." One person dey shout inside wilderness say, "Make una prepare Oga God way for am, make una make him road straight." For inside wilderness, John the Baptist come begin preach say, make people leave the bad things wey dem dey do, make it for baptize them so that God go forgive them their sins. People for Judea and all the area wey near am and those wey dey Jerusalem, they go meet John and he come baptize them for Jordan River after them confess their sins. John wear cloth wey dem take camel hair make, tie leather belt for waist, and he dey chop locust and honey for inside bush. He come say, "Person wey big pass me dey come for my back, and I no big reach who go lose the rope wey dey him shoe. I dey use water baptize una, but he go baptize una with the Holy Spirit." That time, Jesus come from Nazareth wey dey for Galilee, and John come baptize am for Jordan River. As Jesus dey come out from the water, heaven open, and God's Spirit come down like dove, come land for him head. Then one voice talk from heaven say, "You be my pikin wey I love, and you dey make belle sweet me well well." At once, God's Spirit come take am go inside the wilderness. He stay inside the wilderness where Satan tempt am for 40 days. He dey there with wicked animals, and God angels come give am everything wey he want. After dem don put John for prison, Jesus come enter Galilee, dey preach the good news say, the time wey God promise say him kingdom go come don reach. So make una leave the sins wey una dey do, come believe the good news. As Jesus dey waka for Galilee water side, he come see Simon and him brother Andrew wey dey throw net inside river, because dem be fishermen. Jesus come tell them, "Make una follow me, and I go give una power to catch people." At once, dem leave their net, come follow Jesus. As dem waka go front small, dem see James and John wey be Zebedee's children inside boat dey repair their net. At once Jesus call them, so dem leave their papa Zebedee with the men wey dem hire for inside the boat, come follow Jesus. Jesus with him disciples come go Capernaum. When Sabbath day reach, Jesus come enter the synagogue begin teach. The people surprise because he sabi teach pass the law teachers. For inside the synagogue, one man wey evil spirit dey inside him body come shout dey say, "Make you leave us, O Jesus wey come from Nazareth. Abi, you don come destroy us? I know who you be God Pikin wey dey holy." But Jesus command am, "Shut up and come out from the man." After the evil spirit don shake the man well well, he shout come out from the man body. Everybody surprised, they ask each other, "Which one be this? This new teaching strong go? Even wicked spirits dey obey him command." So the story about wetin Jesus dey do come spread quick for everywhere for Galilee. As Jesus, James and John comot from the synagogue, dem come enter Simon and Andrew house. Simon wife mama no well, so dem come tell Jesus about am. Jesus go meet am, hold him hand, and the woman come stand up. Then the fever comot from him body, and he come dey serve them. When sun don dey go for evening, dem come bring all the people wey no well and wey get demon come meet Jesus. The whole town come gather for the doormat. So Jesus heal many people wey no well with different diseases, and he drive many demon comot from people body. But he no let the demons talk because they know who he be. For early morning, when everywhere still dark, Jesus leave the house, go on quiet place, go pray. Simon and the people wey dey with him come dey find am. When dem see am, dem come say, "Everybody dey find you." Jesus tell them, "Make we go another village so that I go preach for there too, because now wetin I come do be that." So he come go everywhere for Galilee, dey preach for their synagogue, and dey drive demon comot from people body. One man wey be leper come meet Jesus, kneel down for him front, dey beg am say, "If you want, you go fit make me well." Jesus sorry the man, so he touch am come say, "I want, so make you well." At once, the leprosy comot from the man body, and he come dey okay. So Jesus warn the man well as he dey go say, "Make you no tell anybody about wetin happen so, but go show yourself to the priest, and make everybody for know say you don clean. make you take the offering wey Moses command follow body. But as the man dey go, e come begin shout for everywhere, dey spread the story, sotey Jesus no fit enter any town again. So e come dey stay where people no dey dey, but people still dey come meet am from everywhere.
Dis na Greywood whispers, voice wey no loud but get sense.